In the 1600s, as Western cultures were beginning to come out of the Dark Ages, where science and free thought was frowned upon by the Catholic Church, many scientists and philosophers murdered by the Church as heretics, there were prominent and influential figures who had come to their own conclusions about the Earth and if it was hollow or not. It should also perhaps be noted that although these thinkers were no longer forced to operate in secrecy under the threat of death, they were still kept a very close eye on by society's elites. Edmund Halley, perhaps best known for his discovery of Halley's Comet, was just one who theorized that the Earth was indeed hollow during this time. Using much of Isaac Newton's work on gravity to prove his theories, he claimed that the Earth was hollow and had a shell around 500 miles thick, had an innermost core, and was capable of supporting life. He went on to state that an atmosphere filled the space inside the Earth and that the outer shell and the inner core both had their own magnetic poles that caused them to rotate at different speeds. Leonid Euler, a Swiss physicist, also proposed that the Earth was hollow during his time in the 1700s. Like Halley, he claimed that the Earth had a very thick outer shell, but at its core was a central sun. The sun, he claimed, provided heat and light for the inhabitants of the inner Earth. Interestingly, Euler went on to claim that the inner Earth could be accessed through huge entrances both at the north and south poles.